How to use the public visitor registration link in Lobbytrack. Log in to lobbytrack.com and click on Settings in the top right corner. Scroll down in the menu on the left side of the page and click on Visitor Pre-Registration. Scroll down on the main page and click on the Generate URL button. You will see a pop-up box asking if you are sure that you want to generate a public visitor registration URL and QR code. Click on the Generate button at the bottom of the pop-up. Once the URL is generated, you can post it on your company's website. Your visitors can click on this link to register themselves as visitors. Once they click on the link, they will be asked to enter their email address. The email address is used to verify if a visitor record already exists. They need to type in the email address and click on Next. Once they click on Next, they will land on the visitor form. Fill up the form and click on Submit. Upon submitting the details, they will see a confirmation page. The visitor record will be created in your Lobbytrack database, and you can schedule a visit without having to fill in the visitor details. The visitor can also check in after this without having to fill up the form every time. This is how to use the visitor pre-registration link in Lobbytrack.